my lesson. What do you think is the theme of Unit 10? If you look at the TV screen, what do you think is the theme of Unit 10?
Science.
Yeah, it is a science class. Fantastic. So let's get started. I heard people can fly using only water. Okay, just water. Do you think that's true?
Yes.
That's true.
How?
뭐라 그래?
Uh-huh, yes.
and water shot
The water is you're holding like a fire hose,
Yes.
and then the hose is green. Yes. What is this? Yeah, it's the hose. Why is it so big? Where does it go? It goes into the what's this?
water.
Right, into the river or into the sea. It sucks the water up, and then what happens? It shoots it down in these jets, right?
Yeah.
So they can go very high, very high. Do you think it's easy?
No.
Probably not, because you have to balance, and then you have two sticks with the water going in different directions. If it goes like this, then you're just going to spin and fall in. So it's probably not easy to do. Probably very, very expensive as well. So, do you know how that worked? What was the device? It was a fire jetpack? A water jetpack, right. So if you watch movies, you'll see a fire jetpack. But this is difficult.
Whoa.
Can you imagine? Right. If there's a problem, there's no help. You can't get help. The only help is if you jump down. That's it. And he is way up really high. You can see the earth, the round shape of earth. And do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What's that? A bull, yeah. Do you know the drink?
Yes.
Red Bull, yeah. They gave him the money to do this. Red Bull sponsored. Yeah. But there was an accident. Something bad happened after he jumped. What do you think the accident was? He almost died. He could have died. Something went wrong. The parachute? The parachute opened, but there was something happening to his body. When he was falling, he was spinning. Okay? If you spin, you can't open your parachute. You have to keep your body straight. But his body was spinning. Stronger than me? Okay. Let's test your brain. Okay, let's try another experiment. I want you to rotate your right foot. Okay, so your right foot, move it in a circle, like a clockwise direction. Okay? No, just your ankle. Just your ankle. Yeah. And same side, I want you to move your finger in the other direction. Opposite direction. Now you can do it if you use your right hand and your left foot. You can move it in a different direction. But if it's the same side, your brain will be broken. Once you move your finger, your foot will change to the other direction. Okay, why? Why do you think your foot and your hand can't do opposite directions? Does anybody know?
Brain
Uh-huh.
work to one.
Yeah, because it's the same side, the brain signal will get confused. So you are confusing your brain signal. If it was the opposite side, then you might be able to do it. For example, many young children are asked, can you rub your stomach and then tap your head? Not a circle, up and down and then in a circle on your stomach. Okay, now put your hand on your desk. Left hand or right hand, doesn't matter. My hand. Okay, your middle finger, put your middle finger under your hand. It should be touching your skin. Okay, under your hand. Now, I want you to lift your third finger. This finger, okay, it's easy. This finger is easy. This finger is impossible to lift. You lifted your other finger. You're lifting this finger. Do you know why? You can't move those two fingers?
I can.
These two and these two, they have the same the same tendon. Not a muscle, not a muscle. Same tendon is in both fingers. Because now I'm going to give you a paper. You have 5 questions about the 5 different experiments. Let's see if you remember how to answer them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see who has the answers. When I call your name, please stand up and read from your paper. Let's start with Ha-Yun. Jo Ha-Yun. Ha-Yun, please stand up.
Number 1 in the first video.
What was pushing? Okay, yeah. Water. Pressure. Push.
수압이죠. Water pressure. 수압. Push.
Right. Just tendons.
Hey, was it fun? Yeah.
Was it super fun science?
Yeah.
Okay. Go home and then do the same experiments with your family. Ask them to try to move their fingers and then do the foot and the hand experiment.
Okay.
Blow their minds.
Worksheet, please.
Yeah, keep your worksheet for the test.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.